vlogin. Andito kami sa Ayana Resort Indoor Playground. So, nag-enjoy yung aking makulit na alaga. So, dito yan sa Bali, Indonesia. First day namin dito sa Ayana Resort, dito sa Rimba. Guys, grabe. It's a huge na resort. 4 tong resort na to. Dito sa Rimba, ito pa lang. Bago mo marating tong Rimba Resort, kailangan mong kumuha ng buggy kasi itutour ka kasi nga malayo sa entrance, pero napakalaki, as in sobrang. Ito yung kanilang kids playground, indoor. Ito. Tapos ito pa. Yan. Tapos yung kanilang outdoor. Marley! Yung kanilang outdoor, ayan guys. Ang daming activities dito. Hindi maboboard si kulit ko dito. Gustong-gusto niya pa naman ng playground. Where do you wanna go? Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh no. Wait, I need to. Yeah. Nagyaya na siya sa labas. Marley, it's very hot down here. See? Grabe guys yung huge niya, oh. Sobrang huge nitong playground na to. This is the outdoor. Yung indoor, yun yung may aircon. So, tingnan naman ninyo yung outdoor nila. Ang laki, diba? May slide. Marley, do you wanna go to the slide? Yeah. But you have to... Marley, you have to go on this one. Are you scared of this? This one? You don't like? Okay. Then how you go to the slide if you don't want?
When you go to the slide.
Yes.
Go to the slide. Go to the slide.
Okay, here's the slide. Come here. Come here.
Really?
Marley, I think you can't do this.
Why?
Because you know what? This one, you're scared of this. Okay, you have to try to... Okay, come here. You try. Yeah, you have to try. Okay, you don't like this one.
So scared.
Ha? Laki, ang init. Grabe. Dito na lang, Marley. Ito na lang. Come on, we go here. Here. Like this, oh. It's centipede. It's alright. Centipede. Yeah, it's okay, centipede. Come here, go inside. Okay, go inside. Ang ganda dito. Nagkaka-check-in pa lang namin, pero yung room namin, hotel room namin is hindi pa ready. So, by 1:30 daw, alas 12 pa lang. Ay, ano oras na pa? It's only 11 o'clock pala. So, ma-ready daw yung hotel room namin by 1:30. Kaya punta muna kami ni Marley dito sa playground. Okay, Marley. Yung mga amo ko nagkape, so accompany ko si Marley. Marley, there's a slide down there. Marley, there? You wanna go to the slide? There? There's a slide. Nag-enjoy siya, oh. Hey. Nag-enjoy si Marley. Sobrang, alam nyo guys, bago sa entrance pa lang ng Ayana Resort, napakalaki na. Kala mo pupunta ka ng Disneyland. Sabi nga ng amo ko, mala Disneyland daw ang team nitong Ayana Resort na to. Tapos, you need to take a buggy para dalhin ka sa Rimba Resort. Otherwise, ang layo. It takes 30 minutes na maglalakad ka bago marating yung Rimba Resort. So, umarkila kami ng sasakyan para pumunta dito sa hotel na to. And then, inikot kami na inikot kasi 4 tong hotel na to eh. Yung Rimba nasa pinakadulo. So, nadaanan namin yung Ayana Museum. Ang laki din. Sobrang yaman ng may-ari nito. So, mamaya mag-iikot-ikot kami titingnan namin kung ano ba yung mga ano dito, mga amusement dito. Yes, darling. Okay, you have to go there. You have to go there. The stage is there. Okay. Can you say excuse, huh? No, that one is only for baby. Okay, you have to go. Then Tita will wait you here. I can't step there. You can go, darling. You can go. Okay, you have to be careful of the baby. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay. Step. All right. Hey, morning. Okay, slide. Okay, slide. Oh, ready? Yeah, ready? Yes, ready? Get set. Go! Go, Marley! Go! Hurry up then. Ready? Ready? Get set. Go! Slide na. Ready? Get set. Slide. Kulit naman nito ni Kulit. Okay, I'll go. If you don't want to slide, I'll go. Tita, go. Come on, slide. See the baby waiting for you. Ready? Get set. Okay, we join together. Ready? Get set. Go! Okay, it's Marty's turn. Ready? Get set. Go! Oh! Yay! Is it cool? Okay. Okay, you go there. Okay, play. Woo! Nag-i-enjoy tong kulit ko. Nag-i-enjoy siya. And maganda dito guys sa Riba is unlimited breakfast. So, no need to worry na bumili ka. Ang breakfast dito is buffet. So, kumain ka kung anong gusto mo kainin. Okay, you slide again. Baby, hurry up. Tita is coming. Tita is coming to get you. Napaka-cool nita, oh. Mali do. Okay. Okay, go.